what we have to do now is to voice over in our into our video animation that we just did. So now I will rather say not to use Easy Sketch Pro for voiceover because it really look like amateur. But when you use a video software, which something like Cyberlink Power Director, Power Director is the best to use for this voiceover. What's it called? Voiceover to your video animation. I don't know which other video software you might have or get or have. Let me see, have on your system. So I'll be using Cyberlink Power Director. You guys should not worry. You get the Cyberlink. How I got to download Cyberlink Power Director. You get it. So right now I'm going to bring in the video animation, which is this. There it is. Yeah, it is. We have it here. Okay. That's it. So that's that. Let me just draw it back. Here we are using the app of Cyberlink. So we have many things you can just do here. Audio only. If you want to add audio, image, can as well add your own image. You can just drag it the image here. Drag music here, or video, or any other media at all. It's color, board, background music. If you are connected, you'll be able to get some background music online. That means it doesn't have any background music, but you can download background music from Chrome or any um browser you have on your system to download background music. Then sound clip, the same thing. Then maybe you've after you've connected, then you just have to those ones you download will be here, be on the folder of downloaded. So um these are templates. These are templates. But I don't really think we have to come here. So let us just go to where it's called voiceover. Voiceover. Voiceover recording room. Yeah, we are here now. Adjust the volume of your voiceover. So start. Below track one, below track two. This below track, this track one, this track two. So we don't have anything on track two, so we have to choose below track one. Then we now then we just click OK and start recording. Hello, welcome to GM Zone. On YouTube, I would like you guys to follow me. Normally, if I must do this, I would just have written those things under the YouTube. Then I will just let me just say it. Follow me on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. On YouTube, follow me as GM Zone. On Twitter, follow me as Abiodun Gabriel. On Facebook, follow me as GM Zone. And also on Instagram, follow me as gmzo.car.co. So my biography, we aim to build a young growing business owner into entrepreneur with high income skills that yield positive results. Talking about high income skills, talking about high income skills is what is going to show next, which is high income skills is a skill that you'll be able to leverage in order to get paid more in the marketplace. It's often a soft skill like passion, communication, or reliability that not many other people have. It delivers unique value to your industry or market. It allows you to control your own salary because you be in high demand. All right. What are these high income skills? Thinking ahead, being a perfectionist, being reliable, believing the impossible is possible, communicating clearly, exercising self-control. Okay, talking about other high income skills related, it's going to show us high income skill related, which are leveraging leveraging existing resources, which are digital marketing, copywriting, web design, project management, entrepreneurship, software development, graphic design, video editing or video animation, sales, trade, blogging, search engine optimization, content writing, UI or UX interface, which is user interface or user experience, public speaking, coaching or consultant. Then brand storytelling, ebook author, mobile development, WordPress developer, social media management, Facebook ad and affiliate marketing. So leveraging other soft skills which are computer skill, photography, phone repair, barbing, driving, trade, tailoring, plumbing, carpentry, carpentry, yeah, styling, electrician skill, welding, interior design. All right. The next is reason why you need high income skills. One, value generates serious side income. Two, become self-employed. And number four, which is own your life. For the reason why you just need it, you be a person of value, you generate all this kind of thing will be added to you. So how to master or develop high income skills? Get a mentor. Two, welcome new challenges, read books and apply what you learn, take courses and leverage and so on. And so on like that. So that's all. Hello, welcome to GM Zone. On YouTube, I would like you guys to follow me. Normally, if I must do this, I would just have written those things under the YouTube. Then I will just let me just say, follow me on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. On YouTube, follow me as GM Zone. On Twitter, follow me as Abiodun Gabriel. On Facebook, follow me as GM Zone. And also on Instagram, follow me as gmzo.car.co. So my biography, we aim to build a young, growing business owner,
So
introduceur
that's how you add
with high income
your
skills
voiceover
that
internally
yield
using this app.
positive
So
results.
I'll just stop here.
Talking about high income skills, talking about high income skills
just tutorial
is what
here,
we're going to
just
show next,
tutorial.
which is high income skills.
Okay, so that's how to voiceover. That's how to voiceover. Then I can save this. You can save your project. You can just know this saved project. Maybe later on want to come and edit or some things like that. Then now you just have to produce.